Yo, what's up, everybody? It's Peace-Eye. Welcome to another video. Stock market just opened, and I'm seeing some downward price action. I think I do want to enter a position. This obviously looks like it's going to continue to drop. And since I have access to day trading, what I'm going to do is find an option. We could go risky and go for April 9 contracts to make the most money, or we could go out to April 10. Let's go risky. Already leaving profits on the table. Let's just go for 15 really quick. All right, well, we'll see how this performs for now. Just watching the price action. Ideally, it'll bounce a little bit, and then it'll reconfirm what I suspect, which is a further drop, and then we'll just double down, which is where the real gains come from. I actually don't prefer if my positions actually make money right away. I like to cost average down when I know that I was right. But sometimes when I know I'm right, I'll purchase a ton. So obviously it's continuing to drop. So we're already up 8%. If I had put more in, then that's proportionately how much more I would be receiving right now. So, I mean, we're only up $210, which doesn't really, I mean, it's cool and all, but the real gains is like the other day when that was crazy. RSI is pretty low. There's a huge volume candle that you can see here, red volume. So you can see that the downward pressure is coming. And then also, when you look at the MACD chart, the red bars have just begun. And usually, not all the time, but once you switch over from green to red, there is a time period where the price action will continue to go downward. Wow, and now we're already red. Should have bought more. This is already a decent trade. I think I'm just going to use this as an example to make this just a shorter video. Because I don't really care about the money. So, 15. And it's gone. So that was like however much profit. Actually, it'll tell me here. All right, about 390. So cool. So now my overall price is a little bit up. So hopefully you guys understand and enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.